Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Twoo account. So Twoo is basically an app that helps you stay connected with your friends or to find someone that you want to date or to just chat with individuals. And if you are wondering how you can log into this account, I'm going to show you how that can be done. So for this, first of all, head over to the Twoo app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this where you can see that there are options such as sign up and login over here. Since you've already signed up for your account and because you're trying to log in, go to the login section and you can either continue with Facebook or you can log in via your email. So if you had previously used email in order to log into your account, make sure that you type in the email address over here. After that, also type in the password that you had earlier set for your account and then tap on the login button. After tapping on the login button, wait for a certain while. Then when you go to the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see that when you tap on the top right corner, you'll see that you have now been logged into your account. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching you guys. I'll see you around next time.